4 ways to do Excel number sequence. First way is to type some steps of your number sequence, then select your sequence steps, drag the bottom right of the cells you've selected and drag it down to whatever number you need. Second way is to select your sequence steps and the range of cells for your sequence to fill. From the Home menu, choose Fill, click Series. We're filling a column with the sequence. Ensure the linear radial button is selected. Choose your step value and enter a stop value. Click OK. If you wanted an alternative way to do that, from the Home menu, choose Fill, click Series. This time select the autofill radial button and click OK. And your number sequence has automatically completed. The third way, if you're adding a sequence to a list of data, is to add your sequence step, select those steps, and double click on the bottom right of the selected cells, and your number sequence has automatically completed. And the fourth way, simply press Alt and Enter on your keyboard, and your number sequence has auto completed.